Hi, today we have to create a function that takes two arguments. On the one side, the coefficient, and on the other side, the exponent. And what we have to do is to add up to the exponent and then divide the coefficient by that new number. How to go about that? Well, here we are. Let's handle that addition to the exponent. So the exponent will be equal to the exponent plus 1. Then we have the coefficient. There we have it. And that should be equal to the coefficient divided by the exponent. And then we have to return a string like this. Return that string. But we have to replace the fixed values by the actual variables. So here we have the exponent. That should replace the 4. And here we have the coefficient. That should replace the 10. And does this actually work? No, we should place an F in front of the string to make it an F string. And this works out. We should actually floor divide, I guess. Yeah, this is exactly what we need. So let's take this and put it right here. Test. And there we go, attempt. Works like a charm. Hope this has been informative. Please consider dropping a like. I hope to see you in another video. Ciao.